In this video, I will show you how to delete all DeepSeek AI chats at once. This way you can remove your entire chat history on DeepSeek AI. So let's get started. First, open DeepSeek app on your iPhone or Android. Now tap two horizontal lines located at the top left side. And here you will find all of your chats. If you want to delete any particular chat, then long press on that chat and then tap delete. You will get a confirmation message for deleting the chat. Tap delete and that particular chat will be deleted. But if you want to delete the entire chat at once, then tap your profile at the bottom, and on the profile page you will find an option delete all chats. Tap on delete all chats, and here as well you will get a confirmation box for deleting all the chats. So if you confirm for deletion, then just tap confirm deletion. And note that once you delete it, it will be deleted permanently and it is not possible to recover back. So if you are sure you want to delete all the chats, then tap confirm deletion. And all your chats will be deleted successfully. So that is how you can delete all DeepSeek AI chats. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.